Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. Mr. Mbatha's service receives a mixed reviews while Sibonelo recognizes a golden opportunity in KFC. Nonka cautions the Hlobos to tread carefully when it comes to KFC, and Kazimulo's behavior raises many eyebrows on Tuesday. Sibonelo receives an invite he cannot refuse. Mondli takes out his frustration on an unsuspecting victim. Madongwe stalks Mrs. Mandlala on Wednesday. Njinji reaches out to her daughter. Opinions are split on whether Nosipo got what she deserves or not. Nkazimulo fails to tame his anger on Thursday. Nomaswazi's circling into the Mhlongo home seems to be more difficult than expected. Grief takes over Nkazimulo's life as he finds a villainous ways of venting. Mr. Mbatha is beside himself when trusted with a very important task on Friday. Sbu's attempt to impress Hlelo is in vain. The battle lines are drawn between two besties. Nkazimulo sincerely apologizes to people he's wronged. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.